Researching trending topics can be helpful when you're preparing your next video. I'll show you several methods to find trending topics for free in less than 3 minutes. Method number 1, competitor channels. You can take a look at recent uploads, popular videos, and videos that are gaining views quickly. This can reveal emerging trends in your niche. Method number 2, comment section. Read your competitors' comments as well as your own. Viewers often ask follow-up questions that can lead to new topics. Those questions can become future videos. And while you're researching comments, make a list of topics that fall within your niche. Method number 3, YouTube search. Take the topic list you created and drop those into YouTube search. The autocomplete suggestions you see come directly from real searches. They reflect the questions that viewers want answers to. Method number 4, YouTube trending. Make a visit to the YouTube trending page. You may find topics that directly relate to your niche that you can use or expand on. Even if the topics don't match your niche, they can help you understand what audiences are currently interested in. Those are some of the easiest ways to find trending topics on YouTube for free. If you want more videos that answer your questions without wasting time, just come back to see us. If you have questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.